Hi, my name is Michelle Hayward. I'm a realtor and property manager for Legacy Realty and Management. And today I'm going to tell you if it's possible for you to take the cost of a renovation off your rent, your monthly rent. Now, some owners do have what's called a sweat equity type program where basically you can live in the property as long as you pay to repair it or get it in repaired condition. But check with your state and local laws because sometimes, like in Georgia, for instance, if a landlord is taking too long to make a repair, such as an AC unit is not working, your heat is not working, even though they don't define a reasonable time period, if it's taking the landlord, say, a month or two, and we're in the summertime and it's 80 degrees or higher, and they still have not fixed the AC unit, that is an emergency. So, yes, it would be perfectly legal for you to then pay for that repair and then uh, produce a receipt with the balance to the landlord. That would be perfectly fine. But I don't recommend actually doing a renovation because basically you're taking money out of your pocket and putting it into something that you have no ownership interest in. This has been Michelle Hayward, property manager and realtor for Legacy Realty and Management. Thank you for watching.